Hi, I'm Alec, this is first tutorial and Song Someone You Loved. In this video you'll find two versions of playing this song on guitar. So chords C, G, A minor and F. So and fingerpicking, fifth and first together, and third, first, third, first, third, and sixth and second together, and fourth, and fifth and second together, and fourth. Sixth and third together, and fifth, third, fifth, third, fifth. So and again. In the bridge, chords D minor, A minor, G and A this first time, and second time D minor, A minor and G. Cap on the 6th fret and chords G, D, E minor and C. And bridge A minor, E minor, D and E. So da 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 da. So it's all, thank you for watching, please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, good luck.